Hi friends, we are here with a senhora? Mrs. Marilza and Mr. Manuel. They are the owners of this place where they sell hot drink, but they don't want to live here, to work here anymore. They have a very nice piece of land with forest inside. They didn't destroy. Eu estou falando que vocês têm um sítio com floresta. Okay? And because they haven't destroyed, as Mr. Lauro, we are going to help them also. They will be the next ones. But what I want to tell you, when I came here, I came searching for glass boxes, no, for, me dá uma garrafa, eu esqueci o nome, for this, I forgot the name, okay, to use, for Jonas to use for making some furniture and art crafts. And he said, Mr. Manuel said, o senhor me falou, né? He said, oh, you can take that doesn't have any value. But I told him, eu não vou levar de graça. I told him, I won't take it for free. Por agora sim, mas próxima vez eu pago. For now, I will take it for free because we need to make some tests. Okay? We need to make some tests and see if things will work well. So, if things work out well, and you will see what we will do with this, you will see, watch our other videos and see what Jonas is going to make with them. And so, next time, if everything turns out around, from next time on, we will buy all of these, and also, garrafa PET, pega uma garrafa PET. And also, these things for soft drinks, these plastic things, these are going to be our irrigation system, and also the tiles for our schools. Okay? So, I told them, we have to stop exploration. We have, everybody comes here, gets our products, take away, they don't pay us anything or almost anything, and they go to the cities or to shops and make lots of money. This has to happen. And if you want this to happen, we have to be the first ones to change. So we're doing that. If you want to see all we're doing and why, search for EmbraceAmazon.org and watch all our videos. See the products we're making with Jonas and others as a cooperative. Get our products, learn from what we're doing, and help us, if you will. EmbraceAmazon.org in YouTube and in Google. Thank you.